Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can track objects in videos using Davinci Resolve. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a video of two horses running, which I will be using to demonstrate this to you guys. As you can see, I have entered it into my timeline, and it is at the very beginning of the video. So let's get started on how you can track an object. I'll be tracking the tip of this horse's mouth. So let's go first into effects, or into fusion, pardon me. You want to go into the fusion tab, which is the middlemost tab out of all of them. And then what you want to do is click anywhere and then just go to your keyboard and hold Control and space. This, if you're on iOS, will be Command and space, and it should open up the select tool menu. What you want to search for is the planar tracker, and just click on it and click add, and then it'll be added to your nodes. The media input needs to be connected to the planar tracker, and the tracker needs to be connected to media out. If this is not happening, and if this here situation is happening, if they are separate, you just want to drag the line from the media into the planar tracker, and then from the planar tracker to media out, like so. Once you've done that, then you want to go into the inspector and go into controls. Once you're here, the first thing you want to do is under tracker, you want to send it to hybrid point / area, and then under motion type you want to select translation. Once you've done that, then you need to select or rather, first, before you do any of that, you need to go and select the point of reference, or the start point of your tracking. I'll just set it at 0 seconds at the very beginning, and then just click set at the reference time. You can do it before, you can do it after. I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter if you select these first and then go to set. It's pretty much the same. But once you've done that, now what you want to do is select the area that you want to, track. You need to click on this tool, which is the click append tool, and then let me just zoom into the horse's mouth, like so, and you can just hold Alt and just select an area that you want to follow. I'll just select the entire tip of this horse's mouth. The more nodes that you have and the more detail you have in your selection, the better the end result will be. Now that we've done that, what you want to do once you've selected, and make sure that operation mode is track and tracker is hybrid point, and motion type is translation, what you want to do then is click on this here button, which is track to end, to make sure that your tracker can actually track the movement. And it should look something like this. Now, it won't go until the very end of the video. It'll go just up to here. I don't know why, but it should be better for you guys. I'm pretty sure it's because the perspective of the video changes very much. Now that that is done, what you want to do is go into operation mode and click stabilize. As you can see, it has removed some areas of the video simply so that it can track that area in the middle of the video. And now if we go into the edit screen, what you want to do is press play, and as you can see, the snout or the tip of the mouth is tracked in the video. As you can see, since the perspective changes and the texture change, it is a bit tricky and it does stop working at a certain moment, and you will need to select new areas to track after that ends. You can just blend them together however you want, and you can also zoom into the video to make sure that the video actually tracks perfectly so that you don't have this black border. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.